Alright, we are standing outside the Oaks Corporate Center here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And here we have an elevator to ride. And it's a Schindler 330A. Just go to 3. Here we go. Go around 3. P's lock. 1. Shower's a little bit loud. Very nice elevator for a office building, despite being a Schindler 330A. There's a name and place on the floor mat. And these are your fixtures, HT. Your card reader right there. Fasten this elevator is 2,500 pounds. Here are 1. And there's your certificate. This elevator was installed in 2006. Take it right up to 3. And listen to the motor again. Take a quick peek out here. Should view the 3rd floor. No, we will end at 1. I guess we'll watch the button go out. And here are 1. For a Schindler, this is a pretty nice elevator. It's definitely a nice elevator for a 330A. Anyways, there it goes, and that will be it.